The Railways Minister Suresh Prabhu has ordered a probe after one person died today and two policemen were injured after complete chaos at the Vadodara railway station where fans had turned up to see Shah Rukh Khan. Khan had decided to take a train from Mumbai to Delhi to promote his upcoming film Raees. A local politician, Fardeen Pathan, reportedly died of a heart attack after being caught in the huge rush of fans. When the train arrived, the crowd went completely out of control. A police lathi charge led to panic and then a stampede. Shah Rukh Khan has described the incident as tragic and unfortunate. Separately, BJP leader Kailash Vijayvargiya, who is a very senior leader of the party, has attacked Shah Rukh Khan again. He's done it before, but this time in a tweet that he put out on the 21st of January, he said this. He said that the Raees who are not loyal to the country are of no use and that we should all support a Kabil patriot. Mind you, Raees is the film that Shah Rukh Khan is releasing and Kabil is the film that Hrithik Roshan is starring in that is also coming out. Now today, Vijayvargiya, after facing a huge backlash on this attack on Shah Rukh, today tweeted that the Kabil of our country are better than Raees, and this time he's put a picture of the Prime Minister and of Rahul Gandhi, seeming to make a reference that what he was really talking about was the Prime Minister and Rahul Gandhi and not necessarily Shah Rukh Khan. Well, joining us tonight, Shaina NC, spokesperson of the BJP, Nagma, General Secretary of the All India Mahila Congress, Kavita Krishnan here in the studio with us, and writer and columnist Advaita Kala also joins us tonight. Shaina, let me come to you first. On this issue of the stampede, it's a very serious issue and one has to ask, should permission have been given at all? And permission was asked for and it was granted by the railways to allow this film promotion to take place, because this is Shah Rukh Khan, he's bound to attract huge crowds and we saw the resulting chaos.
Well, Nidhi, from the facts that I gathered, the legitimate permissions were taken by them for no kind of activity on the platform, and Shah Rukh Khan apparently didn't even get off the railway, onto the railway tracks. The kind of public that was there was present on the platform, and I believe that the current incident that we're talking about, from what I gather and from what the victim herself has said, is that this incident, unfortunate incident, took place about 35 minutes after the person left the railway platform, and it had actually nothing to do with meeting Shah Rukh Khan or being a part of this crowd. So I think that we need to view this objectively. Yes, it's most unfortunate in the fact that you have crowded places. Tomorrow you may have a rally.
This is not a normal crowd. You can see the pictures. There is a virtual stampede happening there because the crowds were much larger, because Shah Rukh Khan was tweeting where the train was going to stop, and they've come to see him. Why does this PR stunt have to take place on a train at all? I mean, how would the police or the railway authorities have been able to control just the sheer number of people on a platform?
Well, when you have a promotion, I mean, I'm not a spokesperson for the film or for Raees or for their entire entourage, but I did investigate upon this matter, and I was told that the journalists that were actually interviewing him were in the train with him. There were about 45 people who were traveling with him from place to place. And this public sentiment that you see even at rallies, you see it at so many places. Should we be having better monitoring of entry-exit routes? Most definitely. I think it's extremely important. But as far as Fardeen Pathan is concerned, he had actually left the place almost 35 kilometers down. This unfortunate incident took place. So I think that to try and suggest that, this is because of the incident that it happened, would also be a disservice when the family has come out and said.
The point is, he was caught in the stampede. The question, Advaita, is that can it be compared to crowds at a rally?
Please,
because railway safety is an important thing. I mean, should Shah Rukh Khan have done this? Was this just taking film promotion a step too far, Advaita?
Well, my film Kahani, Vidya Balan, I remember, went to Khar police station and was looking for her husband on site. Of course, when it comes to promoting films, there's a whole team that puts these things together. And I think when you do go into public spaces, it could be at a railway station, it could be at a mall, and you know, stars do a lot of these kind of promotions and do fan outreach. In these cases, I think you have to put certain measures in place where it does not get out of hand. In this incident, you know, I think things did get out of hand. If Shaina's what she's saying holds true, and there's no reason to disbelieve it, if indeed this happened post the fact, then we don't know if it was triggered by this or for what reason. Nonetheless, it's extremely tragic, and it does call into question of whether these should be permitted in these kind of public spaces, not only because of this incident or the fact that it can cause or not cause something like this, that is to be determined, but also just the general security, the inconvenience to other passengers who are traveling on the same route. There are a lot of other factors that come into question when these events are given permissions.
Yeah, I think that's absolutely right, because I think what happens is we often forget the inconvenience that has been caused to people as a result of this PR stunt, as one calls it. And obviously there is no last word on this, because the railway minister has ordered a probe, which means that prima facie they feel the need to investigate what has happened. Nagma, you know, you've been in the film industry yourself. Again, do you think that this was something that just took it a step too far? I know stars like, you know, Adwaita said, have to find new and innovative ways to promote their movies. But could this have been avoided? Nagma?
I think I should begin with saying that it's a very tragic incident which took place, and we're all feeling very bad about it, and my heart goes to the family. But nonetheless, when you talk about this, I don't think that, you know, we've been shooting for many years, and we've been shooting all kinds of scenes, many a times on railway stations and places like that. If we really want to pinpoint on the system, I think it's the railways, you know, the ministry, the department which is responsible for, you know, taking care of all this. If Shah Rukh Khan was traveling and if Shah Rukh Khan was promoting his film, then everybody knew. I mean, the railway ministry did know much in advance that he was going to promote his film. And so the security should have been in place, and everything should have been, you know, managed by them. And especially this happening at Vadodara. And you know, people like Shaina put it rightly, that this person had already gone away from the place when this incident had happened with him. So we don't know what could be the cause for his tragic death. But I feel that it is not Shah Rukh Khan who is responsible to take care of you know, this chaos which took place, but it is the responsibility of the railway ministry who is supposed to take care. And what about the innocent people who die every month? There are about 30 innocent people dying because of the callousness and the carelessness of the railway ministry.
No, you know,
And
you
the
make
railway
an important
department
point.
and the railway minister.
I'm asking the same question, Kavita Krishnan, as well, about the fact that the permission was sought to do this, it was given, and then, you know, we saw what happened. Maybe it was not something that was well thought out either from Shah Rukh Khan and his PR side, and certainly from the railway authorities. I mean, he's not an ordinary film star, he's huge. It's going to attract massive crowds.
Absolutely. And also the point is, I think that, you know, a railway station is not a rally site, right? So that kind of crowd management is probably not possible there, and therefore permission maybe should not have been given. My point is, I think I really feel this strongly even looking at this. I don't know about what the circumstances of the death were. Maybe none of us does. That needs to be probed. But if you look at the scenes there, clearly this is not a safe situation. This is a situation in which there's a large crowd which is out of control and which is excited about things. And in such a circumstance, if you said that the police tried to do some lathi charge and all to control the crowd, maybe that triggered a situation. Whatever it is, I think that the role of the police, the role of the railway authorities in this, in granting permission and in subsequently organizing and managing this, I think all those also need to be probed. The entire onus of that cannot be on the film promoters themselves.
Absolutely.
Film promoters may come up with all kinds of wacky ideas to promote their films. It is the responsibility of other institutions to decide whether or not permission be given or not.